for watching and listening to me again. Then guys, this video is going to be very fantastic for all of you. Why? Because in this video I will tell you what guys, look at, speak English without fear. Then guys, in this video I am just going to tell you how to speak English without any fear or any hesitation. I mean to say, if you have this problem while speaking in English, then this video is only for you. This is must watch video for you. Okay guys, so let's start the video. Now look at guys, I have made here 3 ways from which you can speak without any fear or without any hesitation. What you need to do guys, you need to follow these ways or you need to follow these techniques. I can guarantee you, you will speak better than before. It's my challenge. If you follow these ways or techniques. So, what is the first and foremost technique? Look at, while speaking, be relaxed. Then guys, it is the first and foremost technique to speak without fear and hesitation. What? While speaking in English, be relaxed. You know, when some people speak in English or when most of the people speak in English, so they don't be relaxed. That's the problem. That's why they fear. I mean to say, while speaking in English, we should be relaxed. We should keep our body light. Are you getting guys? So I mean to say, while speaking, don't take any stress or don't take any tension or problem. While speaking, be relaxed and speak out. Then this way will definitely help you to speak without any fear. Whenever you start talking with someone, you know, whenever you start talking with someone, what we think we are not speaking properly. You know, it is a psychology of human. Whenever we start speaking with others, we think what? Negative thoughts. That's the problem. We don't keep our mind relaxed. So while speaking, first of all, we should keep our mind relaxed and we should have positive thoughts inwardly. Are you getting guys? So while speaking, first of all, we should be relaxed. We should keep our body light. Okay, and we should try to listen others. If you fear to speak in English, so first of all, let them start. Let others start. Then you can keep your point of view. So it is the first and foremost technique. While speaking, be relaxed. It will help you very much. And it will also remove your fear and hesitation. Okay guys, now let's move on second point. Look at guys. Don't think to speak too fast. Then guys, what is the second point? Most of the people think to speak too fast while speaking in English. That's the problem of fear. You know, what is the psychological fact? What is the psychological fact? When we try to speak too fast, mostly we commit mistake while speaking. Whenever we try to speak too fast, mostly we commit mistake while speaking. So we should not try to be too fast while speaking. I know you want to become fluent in English. I know you want to become fluent in English or you want to speak fluent English. I know. I can understand. I can consider. But we should not try to speak too fast. Because when we try to speak too fast, so we just stop. Words go out from our mind. We just become blank. So don't try to be too fast while speaking in English. So it is the second technique. I am telling you the third point. What is the third point? Look at guys. Speak according to your own knowledge. What is the third point, guys? Speak according to your own knowledge. I mean to say, while speaking English, just think whatever you know. I mean to say, whatever knowledge you have, you should speak out. You should not try to impress others. It means you should speak in an easy way. What most of the people do, most of the people try to use difficult word meanings while speaking in English. It is not the right way to speak out. I mean to say, mostly students or mostly people, most of the people try to use some impactable words. Actually, these are not impactable words. Simple words are also impactable. Are you getting? But they try to use some difficult word in place of simple words. That's a mistake. That's not a mistake. That's a blunder. I mean to say, while speaking English, speak according to your own knowledge. If you don't have very much knowledge about grammar, don't worry. Don't think about grammar that while speaking English you have to use proper grammar. You don't think, because as we know, English is a language. So as a language, speak out. You need to speak out whether you are speaking in an easy way or a difficult way. It's not a matter, because easy way is better than difficult way, as we know, because we can do everything easily if we are knowing that thing, isn't it? So follow this idea. What? Speak according to your own knowledge. Okay, if you don't have very much knowledge about grammar, like parts of speech, don't think about all these things. Think about your own knowledge. Whatever knowledge you have, you should speak out. Okay guys, now I just want to remind you one by one. In this video, what I told you the 3 ways from which you can remove your fear while speaking in English. Are you getting, guys? So what is the first way? While speaking, be relaxed. At this time I am speaking, so I am speaking with relaxation. I am not getting any burden. I am not taking any tension and depression. Whatever I know, I am speaking out, isn't it? So similarly, you can also do. There is no any issue. Next, don't think to speak too fast. There are 3 levels of communication: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So we find all these level of people in our day-to-day life. So it doesn't mean that a beginner cannot speak English. It doesn't mean intermediate student cannot speak in English, or it doesn't mean advanced student cannot speak English. All 3 categories students can speak in English according to their level, isn't it? So don't think to speak too fast. Think to speak relaxedly. And the last one is, speak according to your own knowledge. Okay guys, so I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Okay, and please do comment which one is your favorite point. I have made here 3 techniques, 3 ways, 3 ideas, or 3 points. So I want to tell you in comment box, please do write which one is your favorite, and if you follow them, so definitely you can remove your fear. Okay, so use, and I wish all of you somewhere down the line you will speak fluent English. Okay, so at the end I want to tell you one more thing: take care of your health, because health is wealth. and respect your parents as well as elders, and do good for your country. That's it for today. Jai Hind.